All right, what is up, traders? What's up, tycoons? We got to talk about RUNE today. All right, now Thorchain has been setting up very nicely. We've got one of my favorite chart patterns here, the J hook. Okay, now the J hook, we'll go over some previous examples, such as this one here and this one here. I traded both of these J hook patterns, and it's one of my favorite patterns. It's a very strong and high probability of success pattern if you get the breakout. So, really excited to see what is in store. And when you take a look on a relative basis, right, and you take a look for relative strength, right? You look at the RUNE Bitcoin ratio chart, it appears like it's getting ready to break out potentially. And same thing with the RUNE ETH ratio chart here. So we're going to dive into all of that, give a nice detailed analysis in today's video. So be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. As always, though, the content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. So be sure to read through the disclaimer. And if you're new to the channel, I started a completely free newsletter for you guys, giving out free trading and finance content. And I also try to sprinkle in a free trade idea every single week. And these are what the trade ideas will look like, highlighting the conditions on the chart, showing you guys the chart. And there's also a website associated with it. So you can go check out the website. Remember, it's completely free. And if you enjoy some of the stuff in the articles and, in the newsletter, you can sign up for it and get those sent directly to your inbox. Or you guys can sign up for the Investment Intelligence Discord. It's only $10 a month, and that's where I'm posting all my analysis, all my different trade ideas. And we just started the crypto tabs in there. So now I'm posting, all of the new crypto trade ideas that I'm looking at. Right. But let's go ahead and get into the video. And so the first one that we've got here is our J hook pattern. Now, the way that this is going to play out, okay, is this is going to be your J hook. So we have the bottom of the J hook starting here, and it would look something like this, right? And that forms your J, okay? That forms a nice little J. And so essentially all we need to do is break out the recent highs. So if you take out the most recent highs right here, then we have a high chance and high probability of getting this J hook pattern. Now, that's a perfect world scenario. Again, that is a high probability trade pattern, but keep in mind the possibility of a breakout and then a retest. That's also very clean, right? If you see a breakout and retest, that provides a really good risk reward entry where you can put a stop loss below some of the recent lows and then look to target the highs here. Now, the immediate price targets we're going to be looking for are 8.58 and then 9.47. Okay, those are going to be your next two immediate price targets, right? But really above 8.583, that's when we have some blue sky territory and we could potentially head up to 13 to about 13.42. All right, those are going to be the next price targets. After these is going to be all the way up there. Now at roughly $7 right now, just under $7, that's almost a 100% gain that we're potentially looking at. So this is a weekly time frame, so don't expect it to happen in one day or 2 days or 1 week. It will take a little bit of time to develop, but these are things that you want to monitor and you want to pay attention to right now. And here are some examples of the J hook pattern in action, right? And these were some of the trade ideas that I posted in the Discord. And you can see very, very clean, right? The whole idea with it is, you get this nice little rounded little bottom here. And once you break out through the highs, you're looking for the J, right? And we form a nice little J there. This one has been working really good for me. I was up over 130% on this trade. All right. And then here's another one right here, again, where you're seeing that nice J hook pattern, right? Where once we take out the previous highs and we have this nice base here, we see a strong move to the upside and we end up forming that nice little J hook. So, excited to see what RUNE has in store for us. And when you look for relative strength, it's not like this one has been a magnificent leader, okay? And that's not really in part to RUNE. It's just that Bitcoin has been performing so well, okay? And it's been very hard to outperform Bitcoin here recently, but it does appear like we could be potentially on the verge of a breakout here, right? And if we start to see, RUNE as a leader, right, in leading outperformance in Bitcoin, even if it's just for a small breakout in a trend, that's going to be a good sign. And that's most likely going to coincide with a boost in the price and potentially even us seeing that J hook pattern. And it's not just on the RUNE Bitcoin ratio chart. When you look at the RUNE ETH ratio chart, we're seeing a very, very similar setup here, right? Where there was this period of massive outperformance from the summer of 2023 up until about 2024. And then all of the hype around the Bitcoin ETF and things like that, you saw a lot of money flowing in to Bitcoin itself. And yet again, this looks like potentially it could break out here. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen with Rune over the next coming weeks. Let me know what you guys think about it, right? Do you like the chart? Do you like the analysis? Do you think it's going higher than some of the price targets I've got? Do you think it's going lower? And what other altcoins are you paying attention to right now? I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget, you can sign up for the Investment Intelligence Discord using the link in the description below, right? Or you can sign up for the newsletter. Remember, that's completely free. All right. And if you want those sent directly to your inbox, you can, sign up for that, through the website and using the link in the description as well. If you ever feel like you want to do a one-on-one coaching session, I do lots of coaching sessions, and we can go over many different things, some of the day trading dynamics and swing trading strategies, interactive Q&A. A lot of people hit me up for options and different things like that. So, just come to my Ko-Fi page. There's a link in the description for that as well. You click on the commissions tab, and in there you can book a 30-minute or a 1-hour session. All the Discord members do get 20% off of those. There's also this little buy a coffee button, basically a way to leave a tip or donation for all the free content I put out, such as the videos and the newsletters. And if you ever want to request a YouTube video on a specific topic of your choice, you can do that directly through the Ko-Fi page here as well under the commissions tab. Appreciate you guys watching. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed today's video, I think you may enjoy this next video here as well. So be sure to click on that one.